Holy cheese. Is that butter? What is that?
That's cheese cream.
That's cheese cream, that's it.
Cheese. Oh, that's like cream cheese, no? Yo, this is crazy. This is sort of like cheese just like this. Yo, like, you know what that is? That's fingerprints. Fingerprints coming in, swooping.
You think so?
I swear I'm telling you this.
This one is spicy, this got less blueberries.
Blueberries. And that's just normal, yeah?
Yeah, these ones are normal, that's got less spice.
And then what is this one? Like nuts?
Yes, nuts.
Yeah?
Nuts.
That's tough.
To make it cheese it takes a lot of time.
And what's that?
That's like cream cheese, like
Also cream cheese?
yes. When the cheese is made and when the cheese is not hardened, it's just soft.
Okay, I see.
And when you put salt into the cheese, it makes it hard and makes a different type of cheeses.
And you serve all this cheese in the restaurant?
Yeah, we got a lot of restaurants and it's all restaurants.
Gotta try the blueberries.
We got 8 restaurants at total.
8 restaurants, yeah?
Yes, and every
5 branches and 3 like
restaurant. All of them are filled with our cheese. The cheese is made here.